Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got this Silvercrest Bluetooth speaker ideal for outdoor use. You are in the beach and you need a speaker to hear your lovely music, and I think that is a very good idea to buy it and have fun. Some of the specs: this is a TWS true wireless stereo, sound between two speakers. Wireless music streaming from a Bluetooth. You can connect a 3.5mm aux input for connecting external audio devices. We've got a 4000 mAh Li-ion rechargeable battery for up to 22 hours of music. It is a waterproof IPX6, protects against water jets and dust. 3 years warranty, 10 watt is the speaker. And let's open it to see what we have inside. This is the blue color. You can buy it in a red or a black color. Blue is my favorite color. And inside we're gonna find out some manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me. I'm gonna find out all about this product. 3.5mm aux input cable. We've got the Type A to micro USB cable. And there's the speaker. Ooh, wow, I like it. Whoa, feels very nice. Oh, definitely it looks great. I like this fabric around. It's bonding very well with the plastic, soft plastic. We've got some rubber at the base. Leave it wherever you want, it will stick very well, it will not move. We've got this wrist strap, nice. I like it. And this is the speaker that it will give you a great sound. Of course we are going to test it. We've got some buttons here. We've got the on-off button, volume up, volume down, play pause button, the Bluetooth button, the TWS button, nice. And from the other side, very good, seal it, prevent any water to go inside. Whoa, a huge rubber, definitely no water will go inside and damage this precious Bluetooth 5 connectivity speaker. We've got the aux connection. You can insert the cable here and connect it to your favorite device, maybe a tablet, smartphone. But in these days, I think no smartphone and tablet has a 3.5mm jack. Everything is with a Bluetooth connectivity. And of course, you can take the cable and charge this unit. Plug it in here inside and charge it. Connect it to a 5V or to your power bank, and I can see a small LED here in this position. It is red, that means it's charging. Great. The Silvercrest logo. Nice, like it. Well, let's connect it to my smartphone and listen some music, because the sound quality is the most important to these speakers. Turn on, press and hold the on-off. You can hear a sound. Bluetooth is flashing, is on. And we've got the pair request from this Bluetooth speaker. Hello, pair. So easy. Media audio, contact sharing. Loud. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Vibrating. Nice. You can decrease the volume, increase the volume. Maximum, you can hear a sound. You can pause, resume. You can turn on the TWS. Oh yeah, it is on. You can see a green light is flashing. It is on. Oh my god, the bass is so loud, so clear. I like it. And the sound is coming around of this fabric. Great. It has an amazing sound. And you can press and hold. We'll go to the next song. Whoa, the sound is so loud. Amazing. You can hear very well everything. Let's put some water. Vibrating well. Yeah, baby. Yeah, let's run. Nice, great sound, great. That's amazing. Definitely you will enjoy very well. Definitely you will enjoy the music from this Bluetooth speaker to your holidays, at your camping vacation, to the beach, anywhere you can take it with you. It is a portable Bluetooth speaker. Now let's see some of the specs. We've got 5 volt 2 amp for charging, 3.7 volt 4000 milliamp battery, 14.8 watt hours. The speaker is 10 watt RMS. Bluetooth connectivity is V5. Supported profiles is A2DP and AVRCP. Bluetooth range is 10 meters. Charging time, it takes from 0 to 100% 4 hours. And music playback, it will last up to 22 hours of music in a medium volume. And it has a water protection IPX6. Well, let's try that. There's the water. Oh yeah, I like it. Don't leave it so much at the water. Maybe you will damage the speaker. Yeah. But I like it. Definitely is doing a great job. The sound is amazing. You will enjoy a premium sound quality. Have it with you at your vacation, for camping, wherever you want, at any time, connected to your smartphone and hear your favorite music. It costs about 23 euros, and if you need to buy it, it's your choice. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is very important. Subscribe. You are just checking my video. Well, it's not so hard. Click at the subscribe button, and that was all. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.